Hi, my name is Bev Morgan. I'm a Hanover artist and teacher, and I also belong to the Southampton Art Center Art School. I have a 2-day workshop coming up. Registration is through the school, but the workshop is going to be held in my Hanover art studio. So what's fun about this workshop is that we'll be painting on watercolor paper that has been stretched over a wood frame. You would not have to use any glass in front of it because at the end of the 2 days, we'll be spraying everybody's paintings with this Krylon archival acid-free varnish, and it's suited for watercolors. I'll have 2 different kinds of finishes, of varnishes, a semi-gloss as well as a matte. And when you are finishing up your piece, you'll be doing alternate sprays, so a gloss, matte, gloss, and finish up with a matte. So this really protects your painting quite well. During the 2 days, you'll be doing your own stretching of watercolor. So I'll have another frame and more watercolor paper, and actually you'll be stretching your own, so that way you'll be coming home the next day with a blank canvas ready to paint, and then you'll also have a finished painting. So it's 2 paintings in one, really. So I hope that you register for this course, and this course will be held on June the 6th and 7th in Hanover.